I'm Paul Cook, I'm the Operations Director for Axil.
Dave Shaw, Operations Manager for Axil Integrated Services.
Stephen Paul, and I'm the supervisor on the Whirlpool site for Axil.
My name is Sławomir Sienko, I'm the second supervisor on this yard.
Mark Newell, contract manager for Axil.
From our old company that we worked underneath, Whirlpool was never happy when they come into the yard. There was always litter on the floor. There was, we had an old baler that leaked oil all the time, so we had spill dry underneath there.
Since we've taken over, we've introduced a number of health and safety improvements to support the guys when they work and also visitors to site. The first one of those is actually making sure that housekeeping is a priority for all of the guys, and that the yard is constantly clean and tidy.
The yard has dramatically changed. Even down to sweeping, we don't use brushes anymore, we use push or handheld machines.
We're sitting in one of them as well. It's a new office and also a new welfare facility.
We've given them somewhere nice and warm to work from.
So one of the main things that we've done is introduced a different segregation system on site.
We've also now split all of their waste streams into better segregated products.
The bins were lined up to the side, so the guys were doing a lot more movements, and underneath Axil we've changed the actual process of how we decanter the boxes and having the bins lined up in front of the guys, so there's less work for the guys, less stress on the back.
Everybody was out in the weather, in the rain and the cold, so we put them under the Dutch barn, which obviously kept the water off people, kept the rain off them.
Workers are happy because they are not working on rain now.
What we've also done, we've invested in health and safety training for all the guys as well. So all of the guys are fully trained up, including different parts of manual handling. So one of the innovations that we've done at site is to introduce a tractor unit with a trailer on the back. What this has done is it's allowed us to exchange 4 1100 litre wheelie bins from across the site at any one time. What the guys were doing beforehand is moving them one at a time on a forklift, bringing them back to the waste yard and then exchanging them.
The biggest changes was swap our mobile baler for this crane what we're using now. This was messy equipment, not good condition. Now we have from Sims great grab, and work on this is just pleasure.
The barrels of the washing machine are actually crushed and then they're taken off into a bigger unit off-site.
But it's a great piece of equipment.
And it's improved the time it takes to actually get a full load off-site for recycling.
There was concrete base in the bottom of washing machines, and myself and the contract manager came up with an innovation of removing the concrete base and taking it out of the general waste and turning it into aggregates, which is a recycler, which we never did in the past. So in turn, the general waste cost has gone down and the recycling's gone up, so it's a great benefit to Whirlpool.
So all of those innovations have allowed us to support Whirlpool in their overall goals of reducing their waste management spend, increasing the recycling amounts and supporting Axil and the staff on site and allowing them to work in a more efficient, safer, compliant manner.